Waldor Orchids takes visitors on a voyage under the sea.
Oranges, reds, purples, pinks, things you've probably never seen before.
Thousands of exotic orchids make up this ocean-themed scene.
Everything in display, the foliage is really looking like things that you see underwater. We have some motion, so you actually see plants moving, like there's a water current going through them.
The concentration is on coral reefs and their unusual likeness to the orchid's shape and texture.
When I look at an orchid, there's a lot of roughly affected flowers. When you look at coral, you have kind of that same effect.
The exhibit also explores the impact of climate change. When the water is too warm, the coral loses all of its color, turning completely white.
So just like we got to preserve plants, we also got to preserve coral reefs.
The Men's Garden Club of Philadelphia recreates memories of Deepwood adventures.
One of our founding members said, boy, he remembers the years he spent going out in the northern Minnesota woods, and we thought that'd be a great way to have a pond with water and a return to nature.
The garden group constructed a fishing shack that serves as a bait and tackle shop.
The dock actually came from one of our members' properties. It's got moss on there, so it's going to look very authentic. And then we'll have a little dock out front that'll lead to our pond where we are going to catch incredible fish.
Wish Unlimited's Hereafter exhibit is centered on capsized boats immersed in an air of mystery.
You have these topsy-turvy shapes. You immediately see the boats, this plant matter that's growing up from an unsuspecting environment.
The art installation is inspired by the striking visuals created in the aftermath of this year's devastating hurricanes.
There was just this vast landscape of sand, and you would have plant life that was kind of like, what happened?
The piece examines the resilience of plants post-crisis
and the beautiful things that happen when nature overcomes.